This One News update is brought to you by ANZ, proud sponsor of the New Zealand Olympic team.
Kia ora, good evening. Some ready-to-eat meat products are being taken off shelves tonight in the wake of a deadly Listeria outbreak.
3 of 6 people hospitalised in Hawke's Bay and Bay of Plenty have died from the bacteria. The food now being recalled is Mad Butcher 500-gram salami and pepperoni rolls, best before August the 17th. Ratanui whole, half and champagne cooked on the bone ham, best before September the 12th. And Ezy Carve boneless leg ham pieces, best before September the 9th. Health bosses are also warning more people could have eaten contaminated food. With the latest, Sarah Batley is in Napier. Sarah.
Health officials are urging the community to take no risks and to see a doctor if they're feeling unwell after details of the outbreak emerged today. It's a place you go to get well, and authorities are worried 2 elderly patients could have died after being exposed to contaminated meat served in the hospital.
Certainly we're taking very seriously the fact that we've got some positive results from food samples in our kitchen.
This Napier company, Bay Cuisine, supplies the hospital with ready-to-eat meat. It also supplies some Mad Butcher and Preston's meat stores.
There is still some product on sale, but we're hoping that the recall takes effect immediately, that the public do work with us on this and get that product back in.
Bay Cuisine says while the source of the contamination at the DHB has yet to be determined, it is working with the Ministry for Primary Industries and had initiated the voluntary product recall as a precautionary measure. The company also says ready-to-eat meat products are a small proportion of its overall product range, and its other products continue to be safe. For those who pick up Listeria, it takes 30 days for symptoms to show. The hospital says it only took its meat off the menu last Tuesday, and there's a risk more cases could emerge.
Very sad. I mean, you know, this is quite an uncommon disease for it to get into the human population and for people to die from. So it's concerning.
Given the first case of Listeria was detected at the start of May, questions have been raised over whether authorities could have acted sooner. But they say at first it wasn't clear the cases were related.
I don't think that's an unreasonable timeline.
2 cases have also emerged in Tauranga over the past 3 weeks. 1 person has died, the other recovered. Neither contracted Listeria in hospital, and no links have been identified with the Hawke's Bay outbreak.
So, Sarah, what other actions being taken?
Well, the Minister of Health says he'd be surprised if other DHBs weren't doing their own checks. Here in the Hawke's Bay, the DHB isn't serving any pre-packaged meat for now, and the board may consider taking it off the menu altogether. The Ministry of Health is also seeking confirmation from the other boards about their food safety policies. OK,
thanks, Sarah. Sarah Batley reporting from Napier. So what do you need to know about Listeria? It's a bug found in dust, soil, water, plants, sewage and animal droppings. Health officials say it's dangerous for pregnant women, their babies, the elderly and people with a lowered immune system. Those at risk should avoid food like soft cheeses, processed meat and poultry, and seek medical advice if you develop flu-like symptoms such as mild fever, headache, nausea, vomiting, aches and pains or a mild cough or cold.
This One News update is brought to you by ANZ, proud sponsor of the New Zealand Olympic team.